A and D's coughing questions. Oh, hey, Dr. D.
Hey A, what questions have you got for me today?
What does it mean to have a cough?
Well, the cough is the body's natural response to something stuck in your lungs. So it could be a piece of Lego, a piece of food, maybe an infection. The body naturally tries to cough to try and get rid of it. So actually, cough is really good because it shows that your body is trying to get rid of something that shouldn't be there. So when you get sick, when you get a cough and a runny nose, that's because the body is trying to expel, which means to get rid of any infection that's there.